My name is FPEZ. I'm a filmmaker based here in Seoul, South Korea, and this is a quick review on the Protek 25 FPV drone from Iflight. The biggest thing to know, this drone is much more for flying through small spaces without wind and for indoor kind of shoots, which is great. It's cinematic, super cinematic, but it is not an acro drone. I mean, you can still do acrobatic kind of stuff with it, but not like what you see online with other FPV pilots. What it is great for though is flying through small spaces. Great. It's probably one of the smallest drones that you can put a GoPro on still. So that's actually really important, especially if you're using FPVs for filmmaking and trying to get cinematic footage for whatever video you're making. It's great for flying through an indoor space because, again, it's small and the propellers are guarded. So that's a really big plus for safety, especially if you're flying around people. It's not good in the wind. Yeah, just sucks in the wind really bad. Yeah, the drones don't come tuned to fly around with a GoPro on them. So that's still something I've been trying to play with. I mean, it flies fine out of the box with a GoPro on it without the battery. But like once you start trying to do acrobatic stuff, or like if you like, I think even this, what I was just shooting now, I took it up, tried to go down, like dive from a tree, but immediately starts freaking out. I think that's about it. Like I went through trees, under the bench, through that hole. That is the biggest part because it's definitely one of the smallest drones that you can put a GoPro on still. So would I recommend it overall? Yeah, if you're doing it for filmmaking, actually I do recommend it a lot. Protek 25 is perfect because it's safe. You can fly through small spaces. You can put a GoPro on it. Actually, I really recommend it for filmmaking. If you want to fly acrobatic kind of stuff, no, I don't recommend it. I don't think you should get that. You should get something bigger. The Nazgul Evoke, that's what I have. Yeah, I'm still also an amateur. I'm sure there's lots of other people who could give better recommendations than me. Obviously, like Joshua Bardwell, go to his channel. Overall, you'll learn so much more from him. And then there's another guy named Matt Pochwat. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but he actually was in Korea for a bit. But he also has a really good channel that you can learn a lot from as well, especially if you're getting into FPV stuff. Anyways, that's it for me. That was it on the Protek 25. Good luck with flying, especially PID tuning. That's the hardest thing I'm really trying to get through right now. If anyone has any tips, advice, or anything more, please send it my way.